Hey guys, Gage and I are going to get a couples massage.
Because we're cool.
It's so weird, yeah, I agree. Very weird, but Casey and I both got each other massages last year for Valentine's Day, and we haven't used either of the gift certificates. And they expire next week. Casey is doing a lot of work because they have a hunting expo that they do every year, and so I'm taking my kids. I'm gonna see if I can book one next week for me and Braylee because
we're cool.
You know, whatever. Maybe that's weird, and maybe they're gonna think we're weird, but it's better than
wait. So you booked
that
it
just
already?
going to waste. What?
You booked it?
What?
The massage?
For you?
Yeah.
Well, I booked it for me and Dad, but Casey's too busy. He has a lot going on. It's always such a busy time. So hopefully they're gonna let Gage fill in. They're probably gonna think we're so weird. Like, who gets a couples massage with their children?
Cool people.
If they think it's weird and they're like, no, you can't take his place, then I guess we'll just come home. So we'll let you know how that goes. We got our massages. They were amazing. And I was like, this may be really weird, but my husband can't come, so my son is. And they were like, that actually happens more often than you would think because it just works out that way sometimes. And so they were very nice, even if they weren't telling the truth. They were very nice and it wasn't weird. And we talked a lot about chickens, which was fun. I got to talk about our chicken. How was your massage?
It was so good.
Did you love it?
I loved it.
Now you want massages once a month?
I feel like a dinosaur.
I feel like a new person. I told her that like my neck was hurting. Really? Like this is my area. And she did such a good job. I got a card and I rescheduled. Anyways, I've been up in my craft area, which I'm loving. I'm loving this. Like, why haven't I been doing this all the time? And I designed this little puzzle. I don't know if it's a great design, but I've been working on it for Layla. It says, hey peeps. I'm gonna turn these little bunnies, these little peeps into shakers. And then it will be this little puzzle. Did you see this, Gage? How cute? And then I made the little letters.
There she can.
Just because I thought that this was such a fun idea.
That is such a fun idea.
It has taken me a long time because my camera died, so I had to come downstairs. Now I have to walk up these stairs and I'm going to be so out of breath. But I wanted to show you my new shoes because they're so cute. I don't wear Vans. I have one other pair that I got from Mabel. They're like corduroy. But look how cute these are.
Oh, sorry, what?
Cute? Mm-hmm. I love the platform. They're from Free People. They're really cute. I like them. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. I have no idea what you have seen so far, but I will show you this little puzzle that I am making for Layla. I feel like there are a few things that I need to figure out, and obviously I could make this puzzle bigger or smaller. If it cut me off before I mentioned, I'm gonna make these little peeps. They're supposed to be peeps, little bunnies, shakers. So that means I'll put like glitter inside or like little sprinkles or something, and then a piece of plastic so that there'll be like shakers. And then they'll be a part of the puzzle. Just like that. Cute.
And then I can like do this. I can put up.
Yeah, here, look. Here's that. And then I cut out Layla's name. And it says, hey peeps. Something I definitely would not do. I don't know why I did this, or I should have done it a different way. I would not do this exclamation because it left a piece this size. And most likely this would be for a child, and that is not the size of a puzzle piece that you want, especially for a child. I actually just designed another one for Winston, and I didn't do the exclamation, and I made the puzzle pieces for the name a little bigger, just to see if that would work out a little better. I could probably look this stuff up, but instead I'm just like trying it and seeing what happens. This is cut out perfectly, so I'm using the pieces that I cut out here so that nothing goes to waste. But then they're the exact size and it's harder to get them in and out. Ended up cutting out another set of names and then gluing it together and making it so it pokes out a little bit. I know with other puzzles they have like a little corner that's like notched, and I could do that, but I just like the idea of this being like a cute little decoration also, so I don't want a bunch of little notches in it. I don't know. I'm gonna put this together and show you. I mean, it's not gonna be glued together yet because I need to add more glitter paint to the background, and then the shakers won't be finished yet because I don't have the plastic that goes on the front to make the shaker. But I'll put it together so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. would be something like this, and I want it to still like fit together nicely so it can be a cute decoration. And you could do any colors, any holiday. I know this is a little uneven here. This is my trial run, and I've been painting for 97 hours. I don't know, I just love it. I've been trying to think of something like, what could be like my thing that I just like love to make, and I love puzzles, and I love this idea. So let me know what you guys think. It's been fun anyways.
Just a second.
Could you?
No, that one's mine. You can put some water in it right now if you want. We can share it. I bought these. Layla, hold it up. I bought these giant water bottles at Costco for my New Year's resolution. I wanted to drink more water. It's going really well. About as well as my goal to upload more videos is going.
I can throw it at you.
It was so nice just having some quiet environment. Back at it.
I'm trying to give it to you.
I've had so much fun just sitting up here. I'm figuring out Adobe Illustrator. I have designed a few things. I thought of some different ideas. I love this puzzle idea. And I've done like little keychains. I did some stir sticks. I ordered some sheets of acrylic, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna make some like little Easter tags. And it's just been so much fun. When I first saw the Glowforge, I tried to think of different like business ideas that I could do with it. And I didn't realize how much I would just love having it and using it and sitting up here and crafting. It's been so much fun. I started watching more YouTube videos and finding more creators who do have Etsy shops or different businesses and different things that they do with the Glowforge, which has been so inspiring. I love seeing what they make. And one of the girls that I have been watching was talking about how she makes a lot of money with her Glowforge because she sells things on Etsy. She also creates different files that you can buy to use with your Glowforge, and she uses a referral program, which is a really cool thing that Glowforge offers. Hi, buddy. But just like with a lot of affiliate programs, you give your audience or whoever's watching, whoever's thinking about getting a Glowforge, a coupon, and it's the best coupon that Glowforge offers, and then you get some money back too. And this girl, I think, was saying that she paid her Glowforge off in like 1 month. This is just an opportunity for anyone who has been wanting to start a business, who has been thinking about getting a Glowforge for whatever reason, to at least be able to pay their machine off. Like, it's so cool. And I really, really loved that. I do have an affiliate link down below with the coupon code. Would I like to pay the machine off? Absolutely. That's not why I'm sharing it. I am sharing it because you do get the best deal. So if you've been thinking about getting a Glowforge, that's going to be a great coupon to use. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this up. I'm feeling so good. My neck was hurting because I was painting for so long, and she just really worked out all those knots, and I'm feeling fabulous. I'm gonna finish this up and then go make dinner. I have no idea what we're gonna have. Layla and I are about to hit up Joanne because Casey got me this gift card for Christmas. It's so random, but I'm very grateful. I need some more paint. I'm running a little low, and I don't have a lot of colors. It seems like I just buy the same colors. That's what I'm finding.
So we have a getting list.
Yeah, Layla has a getting list of all the things that she's getting. Huh? Okay, I'll hold it up. Okay, let me help you unbuckle really quickly. Okay, I have Layla's getting list.
First paint. And then we need some paint water.
Oh, okay.
And then we have to have some a glue gun.
Oh, yeah, good job remembering. I can't find my glue gun. I have no idea where I put it.
And for school, I just want some glue sticks.
Okay, will you get your coat on? Look, it's right there. Right, not the one that you brought, but that one because it's warmer. My kids always take their coats off, especially Layla, because of her car seat, and then the coats are always in here, so we just have a pile of coats. Thank goodness I couldn't find it, and I was like, it's so cold. It is so cold tonight. Holy cow.
And so if
Carrie, put it on.
We forget to buy glue sticks, my teacher has some.
Oh, great. Okay, I bought a ton of glue sticks, didn't I? Where did they go? Who knows? Who knows, huh?
And guys, if you want to see, I don't know how to spell anything, so that's why I don't do that.
That's great.
I know how to spell my name.
Yeah, you do. You know how to spell some words, and you're learning, and you're so smart. You got it.
I know how to spell Kayli.
You do.
Yeah. So first K-A-L-Y. Y-L.
Good job. That's it. K-A-Y-L-I. Excellent. Okay, we're gonna run it really quickly. I hope it's not closed. We need to hurry though, because it probably maybe is closing soon. I don't know.
I don't see. I see
I see people in there, so I think we're good. Okay, let's go.